Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well and enjoying your new year so far. Let's not let's not build up too many dreams, eh? So let's just hope this year goes way smoother than last year. Anyway, in this video I am going to show you how I make this tray. So I had a customer ask me for an emerald green and gold tray. Now I have got, I think I counted 9 different greens in micas and pigments and inks. I did not have an emerald, so I ordered one. I got online and I ordered an emerald green from Resin. This is so bright. I honestly was like, wow, what a color. So I'm going to use some emerald green pigment and I'm going to use these flakes that I got from Amazon. The first thing I'm going to do before anything, I'll also use these gold handles. Everything I'm using will be linked below. The first thing I'm going to do is just tidy up my mold. I have done a video before on how I clean my molds, but honestly I just use a bit of tape. I've been doing so much resin over Christmas that yeah, if you follow me on Instagram you would have seen I uploaded a lot. The resin I'm using in this video is by VUBA and it is the Vista Cascade. Now VUBA did send me this resin to use, so I am not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid, but they did send me this for free, so that is why you will see on the screen includes paid promotion. Technically I'm not getting paid, but I did get the resin from them. I have since gone on to order a whole heap of resin myself from Vista Cascade because I love this resin. It has, honestly, I used it throughout the Christmas period. It cures so fast compared to the Vista Stream. Honestly, would recommend this thoroughly. So in today's video, that is what I'm using, the Vista Cascade.
Look out, here she comes, woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, nah, never know, nah. She will never know, never know, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love
is the tray demolded. I absolutely love it. I honestly wouldn't have done these color combos. I would have always gone for maybe a darker green, but I think the emerald, it reminds me of the Wizard of Oz and of course Ireland. But yeah, let me know what you think. I love this so much. The powder I used started to float. So there's this really cool floaty powder effect around the edges. I'm not 100% keen on seeing that. I think it still looks kind of cool. It looks really, really cool. But yeah, if I had a choice, I would have not wanted it to do that. But again, this stuff has a mind of its own. After I made this tray, I just wanted to make some more, and I had another customer, as I said, order another one. So I went on to make this one. I added more dark to this one. Oh, I adore this one. So on this one, I didn't use powder around the edges. I just used dark. I put some black in with the emerald green, put it around the edge. Of course, that took over and it kind of started to move in towards the center, and it's created this cool pattern. Yeah, I got excited about this one, I have to say. So I will be making some more of these. I absolutely love it. The gold around the edge was leaf only, so there was no powder around this edge, and I think that's worked because again, you've got none of the powder floating up. It's so reflective, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. So the customer who originally ordered a tray from me in these colours also wanted coasters, so I went ahead and I made those. But these do need a top coat, so I used the mica powder around the edge, which came out around here as well, and I think that works really nicely. So these will go with that original tray. I just need to do a top coat on these and they'll all be good to go. But let me know what you think of this color combo. Out of the two trays, I think this one is my favorite. I'm gonna try to recreate another one of these as well, because the dark, I just love that dark. I really love it. It takes away the emerald green, but it's still green. It's yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I hope you really enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next video, and I will see you there. Bye.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should